Pope Francis called for a ceasefire between Israel and Hamas in his traditional Easter message delivered following renewed concerns over the health of the 87-year-old pontiff. In the message, delivered in front of tens of thousands gathered at St. Peter's Square at the Vatican, Francis addressed the conflicts in Europe and the Middle East, condemning the war as an absurdity. In recent times, the Pope has had to forego or limit his participation in events due to declining health. However, on Easter Sunday, the paramount occasion in the Christian calendar, he delivered the address in its entirety and appeared to be in good spirits, warmly greeting the crowd with smiles and waves. The Pope had withdrawn from a Good Friday service at the 11th hour to safeguard his health for the remaining celebrations of the weekend, as stated by the Vatican. Despite this, he has led various Holy Week liturgies, overseeing a total of 5 since Thursday, including a lengthy Easter vigil in St. Peter's Basilica on Saturday, which extended for over 2 hours. Papal observers have been closely monitoring the octogenarian's health since last year, particularly after he underwent abdominal surgery and was hospitalized for bronchitis. In recent weeks, the Pope has been hospitalized for further tests. There have been instances where he relied on his aides to deliver speeches on his behalf when he was unwell with colds, the flu, or bouts of bronchitis. Nevertheless, Francis has demonstrated a strong commitment to actively participate in Holy Week and Easter, recognizing it as the most significant time of the year for any pope. Despite his health challenges, the Pope has reiterated his intention not to resign, viewing the papacy as a lifelong ministry. While he often uses a wheelchair due to mobility issues, he emphasized that he governs the church with his intellect rather than his physical capabilities. During his address on Sunday, Francis reiterated his plea for an immediate ceasefire in the Israel-Hamas war, while also calling for access to humanitarian aid to be ensured to Gaza and the prompt release of the hostages. On the war in Ukraine, the pontiff said both sides should engage in a general exchange of prisoners and urged world leaders to strengthening winds of war. Children caught up in war, he said, had forgotten how to smile.